Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody. Today, guys, as we probably will take a look at the Canadian dollar. So our long-term expectation on the Canadian dollar stands in the reaching of our long-term target on the monthly chart is approximately 134.50. Meantime, on the hourly chart, if you remember, our analysis mostly is based on this ABCD pattern that stands in progress right now. And our last discussion was on this point when the market has hit overbought, and that has happened right at the 100% extension of this ABCD. So market has completed AB equals CD pattern, and we said probably some retracement should happen, but it probably will be very small, since we do not want to see the moving below this important, this key trend line. Since this trend line indicates returning of the market back inside of this consolidation, and if market lets price to return back in the consolidation, it means that this fortress has destroyed and market has chance to continue move higher. Every time when the market returns in some consolidation that was previously protected by the trend line, by support lines or resistance, or you can see how market protects this area. So support, breakdown, protect, returning back inside of this consolidation. Here again, small bounce, but later market has broken through it, returned right back up, and that was the important sign that the trend, the bullish trend, has been reestablished, and we should be ready for upward action. So you can see recently market has shown the explosive upward action, mostly, as you know, due to the cutting of the rates in the Canada. So right now we have in progress two patterns. ABCD pattern, it's 1618 extension, stands on 3180 approximately. And take a look, we have the butterfly cell with the target a bit closer, it's 130.70. So, market is not at overbought right now, and market hasn't quite completed important targets. That's why if any retracement will happen, this probably hardly will be significant. It should not be very deep retracement. The deep retracement could happen when the market will hit this target. Finally, guys, the 1618 extension of this butterfly stands right here. It's 134 even, very close to the monthly major target. So that's why it seems that when the market will hit this resistance, this target cluster, it shows some respect. Maybe it could even retest this top that has been broken, hitting the target, retesting of this resistance, and could continue move higher. That's very probable development. But right now, we expect that retracements on the intraday charts will be not deep, and market should continue move high to this area. First is 130.70, then 31.73. Maybe market will reach them simultaneously on the daily chart. Another reason why we think that market could continue move higher is take a look at the chart of the crude oil. As you know, the Canadian dollar is the crude oil currency. As you can see what is going on. So when the market has completed this ABCD pattern on the Canadian dollar market, crude oil at the same time has hit these lows and then turns to some consolidation here. Recall what we have said, that probably Canadian hardly will move higher within the couple of sessions, because market stands at overbought and then crude oil stands at oversold, and probably some consolidation has happened. So this has been achieved, and right now market, the crude oil has abandoned, you can see the oversold condition, and right now is ready for a possible downward action. So we expect that market probably will in the medium term perspective will reach the previous lows around 45 on the futures price. On the spot price, that will be approximately $50 per barrel of the crude oil. So picture on the crude oil looks bearish, and that in general supports the view on the Canadian dollar. Now let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart. What we have here. So Canadian dollar has turned to some upward channel. We think that if any retracement will happen, hardly it will be deeper than 128 even area, because that is the trade support. That is the lower border of this channel. And recall that market is not at overbought right now. So it's not at resistance, not at overbought. So it has no significant reasons, important reasons to show deep retracements. So also take a look at this dash line. That is the previous tops. So I will contract the chart as you will see it. See? That's previous top. And it agrees with the 128 even area. So that's why if market will show retracement down, that will be probably the ultimate level in the short-term perspective where market could return right back down. But I think that retracement could be even smaller. Just minor bounce could happen. Because this move up is the rate cutting. So hardly market will totally erase this. This will not be not quite logical in the current situation and in current the technical picture that we have on the Canadian dollar. So that being said, we expect mostly continuation to the targets that we have on the daily chart. If any retracement will happen, they will be probably very small. Hardly they will be very significant. As a maximum, we think that will be with 25 or 5 or even small retracement on the way up right to these targets. When the target will be hit, after that meaningful retracement could happen. Maybe even this market could show this harmonic swing that we have here. Let's measure it, for example, if it will hit right. So approximately to the previous tops. That could happen. That will be logical at this moment when the market will complete target. But right now, it's not quite logical. So that's our view on Canadian dollar. Let's see what will happen. Today we also get the numbers on the inflation in the United States. That also could be important. So let's see.